Today, I will discuss the serious issue hidden behind the reported economic events. First, I would like to introduce a news article. It was reported in Japanese on December 18, 2013, about something that happened around the end of the previous year. Many of you are probably hearing about this for the first time and thinking, was there such news? So, what was reported? In China, there is a company called Yuan Holdings, written in katakana as Haiwinho Ruding Guizhou, which was reported to be collecting funds from many people, investing them, and distributing profits. However, this company was struggling with payments. The background to this issue lies in investments in China's real estate sector. The problem is that China's real estate market is in terrible shape. Many real estate developers, including Evergrande, are heavily in debt and unable to make interest payments. This situation is also affecting people who invested in these companies to earn interest. The article stated that the downturn in the real estate sector was impacting the entire financial system. At this point, it may seem that this channel often covers the collapse of China's real estate bubble dragging down the financial sector. However, this story is not just about an asset management company being caught up in China's economic downturn. Let's take a look at a more recent article. This article, written in Chinese, has a title that can be translated as the 50 billion yuan black hole involving 50,000 people, and it reports the arrest of many executives. In other words, what was reported in Japanese at the end of last year was that the economic downturn was affecting the financial sector. However, in reality, this company was engaged in illegal fundraising. In other words, it was running a large-scale fraudulent business, and China's economic downturn merely exposed its collapse. This is not a case of a legitimate business suffering due to an economic downturn. The article states that all the financial products this company sold were legal. Furthermore, the explanations given when selling those products were false. In other words, they created illegal financial products, provided false explanations to many people, sold these products, and raised funds. However, most of those funds have gone missing, which led to a criminal case, resulting in the arrest of the company's actual owner and many executives. While most people in Japan may have never heard of this company, it is a well-known name in China's financial industry. The company was founded in 2006 and has been selling financial products to invest in real estate-related businesses from the beginning. At that time, China's financial product market was not overheated with people flocking to financial products for returns higher than bank interest. The person who founded this company was originally a senior executive at Shanghai Bank. He foresaw that as the wealthy population grew in China, there would be an increasing demand for financial products targeting these wealthy individuals, so he founded this investment company in 2006. Initially, they seemed to actually invest the funds they collected and provide returns to investors. At the time, China's economy was still growing, and the real estate sector was the perfect place for investments, offering high returns to those who invested their money. As a result, the company grew, and the people who purchased this company's financial products were likely wealthy Chinese, possibly even including government officials and people connected to the Communist Party. In other words, the company had to keep paying dividends, or else they would face significant problems. However, as China's economy began to slow down, the real estate sector became riskier, and it became harder to make money from investments there. Nevertheless, many Chinese, who lacked access to information, continued to believe in the strength of China's economy and kept purchasing these high-yield financial products. Even when some foreign media began pointing out the unsustainable situation in China's real estate sector, the company continued its operations and even got listed on Nasdaq in 2021. This allowed them to raise even more funds from the US, expanding the scale of the damage. It's possible that not only Chinese investors but also foreign investors, including Japanese companies and individuals, may have been involved in investing in this company's stock. What I really question is how a company like this could get listed on Nasdaq. Clearly, there must have been support from American financial institutions. This shows that the problem isn't just about Yuan Holdings, but also involves Chinese authorities, the Communist Party, and even American financial institutions. This is not a simple story of China versus America, but a complex situation where companies from both countries are involved in deceiving ordinary investors. That concludes today's discussion. I'll see you again in the next video.